Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the Chromebook won't die mid-update, plug it in or have more than 50% battery. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network so the download won't restart. Make sure you've backed up any unsaved work to Google Drive or an external USB. Next, go straight to Settings, then about Chrome OS. You're not waiting, tap Check for updates now. Doing this triggers the system to fetch the latest OS build and prepares for install. Once the update begins downloading, monitor progress in about Chrome OS and don't interrupt the connection. You should keep the Chromebook plugged in and avoid closing the lid so the download and install stages proceed without sleeping. The installer may apply security patches first, then the full OS update. Let it complete both steps. When prompted, click Restart to apply the update. If a secondary install runs after reboot, allow that to finish before logging back. After the restart, return to About Chrome OS to verify the version and build number. This confirms success. Make sure your Wi-Fi, keyboard, and any USB devices reconnect and open a few key apps to ensure they behave normally. If something goes wrong, first free up storage and retry the update. If it still fails, sign out and try again or consider a power wash only as a last resort because it erases local data. If you need help, note the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.